Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to format USB pen drive on Mac. It's very simple tips and tricks. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a demonstration. So simply first of all, you need to connect the pen drive on your laptop. So I connected the pen drive name is untitled. I want format this pen drive. So it's very simple. Just simply press here command and space and disk utility, otherwise the disk utility available on launchpad. And here this is my hard drive, external hard drive, and this one is external. The pen drive storage is around 16 gigabytes 16 GB. So I want format this one. Just simply click here and erase. Do the pen drive here name demo, and here you need to select ExFAT if you use this pen drive again and again in your Mac. So erase and boom, the pen drive is empty now and ready to use. Just simply close. I just simply copy this some data going to the demo and just simply paste here, and that's it. It's very easy to format pen drive and use it as a day-to-day activities. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.